Hi you guys, this is a tutorial for how to use Windows Movie Maker. Some of my girls at MMVA were having trouble with it, so I told them that I would do a tutorial, and basically I'm going to show you how to do that. This is the picture that I use to introduce my vids. Basically it's just my messy desk, or my old messy desk. That's not even my messy desk anymore. I don't even have that desk anymore, and my walls are not pink anymore, thank God. So the first thing you do is you go to pictures, and then you find the document that you want. I think it's in documents. Classroom, da 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 da. Okay, oh, here it is. Alright, and this is the video that I'm going to do. So I'm going to take all these pictures. Oops, I forgot, I gotta start at the bottom. I'm going to take this vid and all these pictures. And I'm just going to press enter, and then voila, there they are. They pop up. Then what I do is I take my pictures in the order that I want them. So I want the picture first. I don't know why that just played, but okay. I want the picture first. Stop! And then I want the video. And then I want the still frame pictures. So I'm going to take this one. And it's really just drag and drop. Pick it up, you drag it, you drop it. Into the space that you want it. I don't like that one, so I'm not going to use that one. I do like this one. Is that the one I didn't like? Yeah, this one I didn't like, so I'm going to take that out. Drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop, drag and drop. Now, let's show you how to speed things up. Let me see if I can zoom in anywhere. I can. Okay, there's the vid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to go to Effects, and then I'm going to just scroll down to Speed Up. And there it says Speed Up Double. And I'm going to click that. No. I'm going to go to Add, and I'm going to add that 1, 2, 3 times. And I'm going to press OK. And then I go over to here, and I click Video. And see, it'll show you the video. Go down to this line, click it again, and hit mute. That way you don't have a bunch of garbled speech, because otherwise it sounds like, and that's not nice. Anyway, your preview of it will look really jerky. And this one doesn't have any movement in it, so you really can't tell. Actually, I did move. Oh, look at that. And it moves kind of faster than it did before. Anyway, that's how you do speeding up. Now, if you're doing a vid that's a tutorial vid and you want to speed things up, what you want to do is have multiple takes. Let me remove these, because in this video I really don't want that. I really want it to be the right speed, so I'm going to take that out. In videos that you want multiple takes, okay? Like, you want your introduction to be you talking, so you do your introduction vid and then you put it in there. And then, just like with these pictures that are here, you drag and drop your next one. So let's say that this is a video. That video, then that's where you click the effects and you make that one speed up. And then each time that you want to have a talking part, that's where you leave it alone. And you only do the videos that you did that were actually you meant to speed up. Yeah. That's exactly what I mean. Anyway, you only speed up the vids that you want to speed up. So if you're doing a video and let's say it's on Chris's tutorial and I'm telling them this is what I'm going to make, blah 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 blah, this is how I'm going to make it. Okay, well let me show you how first I cut out this piece of lace, or this piece of lace, and then I stop the video camera, or my little camera, and then I start it again and I cut out the lace, and then I stop it again. So you have a lot of chunks of video instead of just one straight through video where you're shooting from beginning to end. You're doing all these little tiny videos where some of them you can speed up, some of them you can slow down. I know that if you look back through my YouTube accounts, you'll see a lot of those. Now, the other thing that I do, it was kind of a fiddly bit to figure out, was transitions. You know what, let's go to titles and credits first. Alright, titles and credits. I've got my first picture right here, which is my desk, so I'm going to hit titles and credits, which is up here. I'm just going to click it. And this takes a minute. And then I'm going to put title on the selected vid, or selected clip, and I'm going to write in Beck's Messy Desk. Actually, those are supposed to be capitalized. I can type, I can't hunt and peck. I'm really terrible at it. Anyway, now it says Beck's Messy Desk, and I push add title. So now down here, if it was where it's supposed to, oops, that's not even where it's supposed to be. Hold on. I'm going to do that again because I put it in the wrong place because I wasn't paying attention. Put my camera down for a minute. Go back to the beginning of the video. You've got all your elements in there. You click on that first one. Press transitions. Or no, that's wrong. Titles and credits. Title on selected clip. Type in Beck's Messy Desk. And change the text color to bright blue because it shows up better on that picture. Press add title. Now, when you do this, it turns out like, this is so hard to do with one hand and with boxes in the way because that's what I had my camera sitting on. It turns out like that. Then there's also transitions, so we're going to click on transitions, which is already on there, and there's a lot of different kinds of transitions. You can choose any one that you like. Let's see, for this one I'm going to use dissolve, and I'm just going to go everywhere that it changes, which means at the beginning of the video, the end of the video, and in between each of the pictures. Okay, now let me show you the transitions. For this video I used dissolve, and it transitions through each picture with the movement, so it's not jerky or stop and start or anything like that. I could have used fade, or I could have used pretty much anything I wanted to, but basically I decided to use the dissolve because I think it kind of looks cool and kind of looks like film melting. And that's all there is to that part. Now, I go back to titles and credits, and I'm going to put credits at the end of the film. Now if you want the type smaller, like if you wanted to put director or filmed on or whatever, it doesn't matter. I like to make it a little message at the end for whoever I'm making it for. Anyway, I'm going to change the background. I want the background to be black, so I'm going to just choose that. And I'm going to change nothing else because I do want it to be blue. And I'm going to add the title. And there it is at the end. Right there. So you have your line. This is your editing line. And it goes pretty easily and fast. It's once you learn how to use this program, it's really easy to do. Now this is the part that when you see this video, it will be sped up. So I'm going to stop my camera right now, and then I'm going to start filming again. Actually, I'm going to start filming again, but I forgot something, so I'm going to just kind of insert it in. When you're ready to publish, you go to this computer, boom, like that, and then it shows you name this movie, and you just name the movie there. And then you press next, and it takes you to that screen. You want to click best quality for playback on my computer, and then press publish. And then it takes you to the part that I am going to speed up. So that's where we're at now. So this is yet another cut. This is the second, I think. Alright, now speeding up that little portion right there took us from 7 minutes down to just like, what, 35, 40, 15 seconds. So speeding it up actually did save you a little bit of time in your video. Now we're going to cut again and go to something. Okay, I don't know why my camera just shut off, but it did. Maybe it's bored, I don't know. Anyway, so that's another take in the movie. Then you go to YouTube, select files from your computer. That's not it. I have to go to public. Click that. For YouTube, our dollhouse. And then find it, because I don't remember what I just named that one. Oh, I named it what I was actually shooting instead of what it actually is. You just name your video, and then in it you type your description of the video. This is really boring for you guys to watch, isn't it? Okay, really boring part, but it's necessary. You really do need to put a description in there because a lot of times that's what pulls up your stuff. Under tags, the first thing I put always is scrapbooking. Scrapbook. I don't know why those pull up a lot, but they do. Altered. Art. Altered. What else do I put in? What it is. Box. Pin cushion. Just any random words that comes up that you can think of. Making. Tutorial. Craft. Giveaway. Contest. Anything. And then you go down to choose your category, and I always put how to and style. And I put standard YouTube license because I really don't want anybody playing with my stuff. I don't like it. And then I press save changes. Then it just uploads for you. And then it's on your page. It's ready to go as soon as it's finished processing. And you don't have to sit here and watch it do it. I rarely ever do. Most of the time I set these before I go to bed and it's ready to go. What was I going to say? Anyway, this video right here, the one that you're watching right now, is what, 4 takes now? It's 4 cuts. And each one you just put in, and you put in a dissolve, or if you don't want it to dissolve, if you just want it to continue on, you don't put anything in there. It's really a user-friendly program. You know what? I really got to stop spraying things right where my screen is. Oh well. Anyway, my poor laptop is covered in paint, missing a key. It's got Look at this keyboard, guys. Paint, sprays, glue. I think it's got a burn from my hot glue gun somewhere on here. I don't know. Missing a key. My poor Toshiba lives in my craft area all the time, and it gets like really yucky. That's how you do it. I can't wait to see you guys' tutorials and all that good stuff, and I'm going to go and publish this video on Windows Movie Maker and then get it up on YouTube, and I'm going to bed because I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is 3:40 a.m. and I have to go to work in just a couple hours. But I couldn't sleep, so I decided to go ahead and do this so I didn't forget and make sure that you guys had it. That's it. Good night, guys.